Hey guys, I'm Russell Kirkland. I'm with Evacore Floors. I'm here today with Daniel Decker. Daniel and his crew is going to show us in just a few easy steps how to professionally install Evacore Waterproof Click. All right, Daniel, we got the place cleaned up. It's ready for flooring. You told me that the main thing that we need to do is identify our longest, straightest wall in the house.
Basically, the first thing we need to do is cut our starter board so we can put the right stagger in the floor so it has a strong bond for the rest of the install.
He's going to show you what we do. It's just score and pop is what it is.
All you need is a square and a razor.
Boom, and it's ready to be installed.
All right, what we're going to do is we're going to install the short seam first, click it down, and you're going to pry up on the board and tap it with the mallet, and it'll lock right into place. And you'll continue that process throughout the rest of the floor.
Well, Daniel, thanks again for having you guys come out and help us with the video. They make it look really easy. And I think for the people at home watching the video, it'll be easy for you as well.
Yeah, just take your time, measure twice, cut once, make sure your subfloor is clean, level, sound, and have fun. Take your time. Call Kirkland's if you need some help.
All right, guys, you heard it from the best. If you have any questions or need any more information, you can see one of our sales associates at Kirkland's Flooring, or you can go to kirklandsflooring.com or evacore.com. Thank you and good luck.
Later.